In the vast darkness of space, there is a question that echoes through every generation of dreamers. What lies at the edge of the universe? We imagine boundaries, walls, borders, an end. But space, as we know it, is not a cage, it's a story still being written in starlight. 14 billion years ago, everything began from a single moment, an explosion not of fire, but of expansion. From that instant, every particle, every photon, every breath of time raced outward, and here we are, floating in that same wave. But if everything began in one place and is still expanding, there must be an outer rim, an edge, right? The truth is far stranger. Our observable universe stretches roughly 46 billion light-years in every direction. Beyond that, light hasn't had time to reach us. It's not that the universe ends there, it's that our eyes simply can't see farther back in time. The edge, we imagine, is not a wall of matter. It's a limit of knowledge, a horizon drawn not by space, but by time itself. To understand the edge, we must first understand expansion. Space is stretching. Every second, galaxies drift farther apart, not because they're moving through space, but because space itself is growing between them. This means there's no true center and no outer shell. Every point in the cosmos is moving away from every other. Imagine dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. From any dot's perspective, all others recede. The edge you seek simply doesn't exist on the surface. But inflation, the rapid expansion after the Big Bang, may have pushed regions of the universe so far away that light will never connect us. Those unreachable regions are beyond our cosmic horizon, forever sealed off by the finite speed of light and the relentless growth of space. To us, they are invisible. To them, we are invisible. At that boundary, the very fabric of space-time stretches faster than light. Galaxies there drift away quicker than any signal can travel. If you tried to reach the edge, you'd find that the more you chase it, the farther it runs. There is no physical cliff where stars fall into darkness. The universe simply expands faster than your ability to follow it. So perhaps the edge isn't a destination. It's a horizon, one that retreats eternally, a mirage on the map of reality. If there is something beyond, what could it be? Some physicists suggest our universe is only one bubble in a vast multiverse, a cosmic sea, where new universes constantly erupt from quantum fluctuations. Each bubble expands, collides, and drifts apart like cosmic soap foam. The edge of our universe could simply be where our bubble ends, and another begins. Others imagine brain cosmology, where our universe is a three-dimensional sheet floating in a higher dimensional space. What lies beyond the edge might not be more stars, but entirely different dimensions, folded just beyond perception. Still others point to mathematics itself. Space-time could be curved back on itself, like a four-dimensional sphere. If you could travel far enough in one direction, you'd loop back where you started. No edges, no boundaries, only endless return. And yet there's a deeper mystery. If we can't see or measure beyond the horizon, how do we even know there is an outside? Maybe the concept of beyond is meaningless. Maybe the universe has no edge, because it's all that exists, and the question itself is born from our finite minds trying to comprehend infinity. But even that leads us to something profound. If the cosmos has no boundary, then every point, including you, is as central to existence as any galaxy. You are not looking at the universe, you are the universe looking at itself. At the supposed edge, space dissolves into mystery. There is no wall to crash against, no curtain to pull aside, only the silent hum of creation expanding forever outward. And yet, perhaps the real edge is not out there, but within, in the boundaries of our perception, our mathematics, our imagination. Because each discovery pushes the edge back, and each question we ask stretches the universe a little larger. Maybe the edge of the universe isn't a place we'll find. Maybe it's a journey, a mirror reflecting humanity's endless desire to understand where we belong. If there is an end, it is not a wall of darkness, but a doorway. And perhaps, when we reach it, we'll realize that the edge of the universe was never the limit of space. It was the limit of our imagination. Look up tonight. Every star you see is a message from the past, a fragment of the universe trying to reach you. Out there, beyond every photon, lies a horizon that keeps running from our gaze. But don't chase it, just keep looking. because the moment you stop wondering what is when the universe truly ends.